Soil blocking is a popular technique used by gardeners and farmers to start seeds and grow seedlings. It involves using a specialized tool to create individual blocks of soil that serve as the growing medium for plants. While soil blocking offers numerous benefits, such as improved aeration and root development, there are certain mistakes that can hinder the success of this method. In this video, we will discuss 5 common mistakes to avoid when soil blocking to ensure optimal results for your plants. 1. Improper soil mix. One of the most critical aspects of soil blocking is using the right soil mix. A common mistake is using regular garden soil or heavy clay soil, which can lead to poor drainage and compaction issues. It's essential to create a well-draining soil mix specifically designed for soil blocking. A suitable mix generally consists of equal parts of high-quality compost, peat moss, or coconut coir, and vermiculite or perlite. This combination provides adequate moisture retention, aeration, and nutrient availability for the growing plants. 2. Inadequate soil moisture. Maintaining proper soil moisture is crucial for the success of soil blocking. One mistake to avoid is allowing the soil blocks to dry out or become waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other fungal diseases, while underwatering can stunt growth or cause seedling death. Regularly check the moisture level of the soil blocks by gently pressing them. If they crumble or feel dry, it's time to water. On the other hand, if the blocks are excessively wet or waterlogged, reduce watering frequency and ensure proper drainage. 3. Incorrect seed placement. Another common mistake when soil blocking is improper seed placement. Seeds should be sown at the correct depth, which varies depending on the plant species. If seeds are sown too deep, they may struggle to germinate and emerge from the soil. Conversely, if they are sown too shallow, they may dry out quickly or fail to establish strong root systems. It's essential to follow the specific planting guidelines for each type of seed, ensuring proper spacing and depth for optimal growth. 4. Overcrowding. Overcrowding is a mistake that can hinder the development of seedlings in soil blocks. When the blocks are small and compact, it's easy to sow too many seeds or transplant too many seedlings into each block. Crowded seedlings compete for resources like light, water, and nutrients, leading to weak and stunted growth. To avoid this mistake, ensure proper spacing between seeds or seedlings, allowing enough room for each plant to thrive and develop a healthy root system. 5. Inadequate hardening off. Hardening off is the process of gradually acclimating seedlings to outdoor conditions before transplanting them into the garden. Failing to harden off soil-blocked seedlings can be a costly mistake. If seedlings are directly transplanted without this crucial step, they may experience shock and struggle to adapt to the harsher environmental conditions, such as fluctuating temperatures, wind, and intense sunlight. To avoid this, start the hardening off process about a week before transplanting by gradually exposing the seedlings to outdoor conditions, starting with a few hours per day, and gradually increasing the duration over a week. Soil blocking is a valuable technique for starting seeds and growing healthy seedlings. By avoiding common mistakes like using improper soil mix, maintaining inadequate soil moisture, incorrectly placing seeds, overcrowding, and neglecting the hardening off process, you can ensure the success of your soil blocking endeavors